Food safety inspections across Hyderabad have uncovered alarming violations in multiple food establishments, notably Insta Hot Foods Private Limited in IDA Patancheru. A supplier for Indigo Airlines was found with cockroach infestations, expired products, and improperly labeled nutmeg. Poor hygiene and storage practices were also evident, with rotten vegetables, improperly stored items, and unsanitary dustbins. Similarly, a Sati Rajkumar roller floor mills was flagged for unsanitary conditions, including a foul-smelling grain washing section, rodent and bird infestations, and unhygienic food handlers. The mills also lacked essential food safety documentation and displayed poor storage practices, with food stored alongside non-food items. These findings underscore the serious food safety risks affecting public health, highlighting the urgent need for stricter regulatory oversight and adherence to hygiene standards in food processing and supply chains. Both companies have responded by taking corrective actions, with Indigo Airlines halting the supplier's products immediately.